Good evening. I am Marquita Starks, and I will be conducting a presentation of Zoetis Incorporated with their financial statement analysis from the creditor's perspective. Zoetis Incorporated is a pharmaceutical company which specializes in medicines and vaccines for animals. They have their products sold in more than 100 countries, and they have 25 manufacturing sites where they ship their products from. 99% of their revenue is from their farm and companion animal products. They also offer professional consultations and e-learning for those who are in need. Their product line consists of 300 products for 8 different species. From 2015 to 2017, Zoetis' revenue increased, which also indicates that their gross profit also increased. Their gross profit consists of 6% of their revenue on average. Zoetis also collected their receivables 5 times in 2017. Here I have the income statement, which shows the increase in revenue from 2015 to 2017. I also have the vertical income statement, which shows the percentage rates in the gross profit, where I did get their average from. I also included Zoetis' balance sheet because I wanted to point out their accounts receivable. From 2016 to 2017, Zoetis' accounts receivable did increase, but how many times they collect their receivables a year decreased, which indicates that they have more accounts receivables than they are collecting their receivables. 79% of Zoetis' financing is covered by debt. Anything over 50% is said not to be good. 73% of the long-term debt is used for their permanent financing. In order for Zoetis to operate daily, they must borrow money. Here I have the financial ratios. I have highlighted the debt ratio and the long-term debt to total capitalization, which I just mentioned. In comparison to Detra Pharmaceuticals and Hetra Corporation, it was 79% for their debt ratio, and for Detra it was 53%, and for Heska it was 26%. For every dollar of equity, Zoetis has $4 in debt. Their capital structure is made up of mostly debt. On the plus side, their accounts payables did decrease, which indicates that they paid towards their debt. For the industry median and norms, I will discuss their debt to equity ratio, their accounts receivable turnover, and their days inventory held. For the days inventory held, Zoetis held their inventory for 293 days in 2017. For Detra Pharmaceuticals, they held their inventory 141 days, and for Heska Corporation, they held theirs for 136 days. This indicates that, of course, Zoetis is holding their inventory longer. But one thing that I did consider with this is Zoetis, they not only sell their products, they develop their products, they manufacture their products, they market their products. So it may take them longer, which is why they may hold their inventory longer. And also, how they sell their products could also be seasonal. There may be high and low points in the year where they sell their products, which could also be a reason why they hold their products in inventory longer. For the accounts receivable turnover, that Zoetis, as I've stated, collects their receivables 5 times a year. With the industry median, they collect their receivables 4 times a year. So Zoetis does collect their receivables more than the industry median. For the debt to equity ratio, for every dollar of equity, the industry median has 93 cents in debt. So in comparison to Zoetis, Zoetis has more debt than the industry median. In conclusion, making a profit, Zoetis is making a profit, but they do have a lot of debt. Their accounts receivable is increasing, but they're not collecting those receivables at the same rate. Would I lend Zoetis money as a creditor? No, I would not. I would be concerned with how much debt they require in order to operate daily. So that would be something that I would look into as a creditor. Although they do, their revenue is increasing each year, they also require to borrow as well. This concludes my presentation. Thank you.